Questions 68 through 70 refer to the following conversation and notice.
Welcome to the Hartford Public Library.
Hi, I'd like to borrow this book. I have my library card right here.
Okay, and just to let you know, we've increased the loan period. You can borrow books for up to 3 weeks now.
Great. I also want to check out some new books that were supposed to arrive on August 13th, but they aren't on the shelves.
I know the two you're referring to. The guidebook will be available on August 23rd. There's a typo on the notice, but the other one was damaged in transit, and the replacement won't arrive until September.
Can you recommend another book on that topic?
Sure, I'll check our system for a similar title.
Number 68. According to the man, what is the maximum loan period? Number 69. Look at the graphic. Which book will arrive in September? Number 70. What will the man most likely do next?